In this lesson, you will learn letter group 3. Click on the letters that have the sound I say. R, R. That's correct. Good. Close. Try again. You've got it. P. No, keep trying. Nice job. Ah, ah. That's correct. Good. S, s. Great. Very good. Now click on the correct case of the letter I say. Uppercase S. Uppercase S. Nice. Uppercase P. Uppercase P. Nice work. Lowercase O. Lowercase o. Good job. Lowercase r. Lowercase r. You did it. Lowercase n. Lowercase n. You've got it. Uppercase N. Uppercase N. Well done. Lowercase s. Lowercase s. Great job. Uppercase R. Uppercase R. You've got it. Lowercase p. Lowercase p. Good. Uppercase O. Uppercase O. Great. Click on the slide I say. Na, na. Great job. Pe, pe. Great job. Ra, ra. Good job. Re, re. Great job. Pa, pa. Nice work. Sa, sa. Very good. Na, na. Very good. Sa, sa. You've got it.
Select 3 activities for additional practice. Think about the level of challenge that is best for you. Choose this activity to practice marking words with letters from letter group 3. Mark the vowel in the word sad. Good job. Mark the vowel in the word ran. Good job. Mark the vowel in the word pan. Correct. Mark the vowel in the word on. Right. Mark the vowel in the word nod. Correct. Choose this activity to practice selecting letter group 3 slides. Select the slide that matches the sound you hear. Each slide uses letters from letter group 3. Re. Re. You got it. Ra. Great. Se. Nice job. Na. Very good. Pe. Pe. Right. Ne. Great. Na. Good. Saw. Nicely done. Pa. Great. Paw. Nice job. Choose this activity to practice building words using letters from letter groups 1 to 3. Build the word gas. Right. Now read the word gas.
You have completed all the required activities.
Choose this activity to practice sorting letters from letter group 3. Sort the letters by dragging each letter into its correct column. Click on each button to hear the sound. Each letter and sound is from letter group 3. P. R. S. A. Great job. Right. P. R. S. Great job. That's correct. Nice job. Correct. R. P. That's right. Nice job. You got it. Nice.
Great work! You completed this lesson at the mastery level. You are ready to complete the required vocabulary for this lesson. Then you can move on.